Hey, yo, what's up? Are you trying to play old school RuneScape on Linux? And so over the years, I made a few videos on how you can play old school RuneScape on Linux. And so all of these methods were not officially supported by Jagex. And so, for example, here, this first method that I found was using some sort of Flatpak from a GitHub repo. And then later on, I made a video about the Bolt Launcher, which is basically a non-official Jagex Launcher. And both of these videos received a lot of positive feedback, and so I'm really happy about that. But now, a few days ago, Jagex decided to release a first version, and that's a beta, of the Linux launcher. And so I'm really happy about this. They even said, that's a blog post that they released 2 days ago. And so they're basically saying it's a surprise shadow drop for the Jagex launcher for Linux. And so I think that's epic right here. That's some big news. And so I read it. It's quite short, but overall what they're saying is that they want to support the Linux community, but also the Steam Deck, because it also uses Linux. They also want to support some distributions, I think. And currently, as I said, it's in beta. And while it's in beta, they're also saying here that the login sessions will only persist up to 2 weeks. And so that basically means that every 2 weeks, you have to relog into the Jagex Launcher. And so obviously, since it's in beta and it's quite new, they're expecting a few issues. So they're going to check for bugs more specifically. And so overall, I'm really excited about this. It's a big new for the Linux community. That's a huge win for the Linux community. And so right here, when you go and you try to download the Jagex Launcher, you can see that now there's the option to run it on Linux. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to show you how you can download it. So obviously you want to download this, and you don't actually have to install anything because it's an app image. And so when you download, it's just an app image, just a single file right here. And so what I recommend to do is to go into the properties, and then you want to go into the permissions, and then you want to check this little thing here, allow executing file as program. And so you simply check this thing, you click OK, and then you can double click this thing. You can launch without asking if you want to. There you go. And so there you go. Now it looks like this. This is the Jagex Launcher in beta. And so you can log in via the web. I was already logged into my Jagex account, so I'm just going to open the link here with this button right here. Go back here, and there you go. That's the Jagex beta. Pretty simple. Usually you would need to log in with your account, but right now I was already logged in with my browser. So now I can play. And now you see that what's quite cool about it is that this is using RuneLite, which is my favorite old school RuneScape launcher because it has all the features and everything. So now I'm not a member right now, so I'm just gonna go as a free user. So you see, because it's using RuneLite, you have all the different features from RuneLite. You can even install some plugins. For example, the Quest Helper, which is a plugin that I really like. So there you go. Now I can start playing. So you see, this is perfectly fine. So there you go. Now I'm able to play old school RuneScape using the Jagex Launcher beta for Linux. And so far, I think I experienced 2 issues. And so the first issue that I experienced was that the first time that I started playing, I had no sound. So I'm not sure if it was related to my Pipewire audio settings or something, but I changed a few things and now the sound is working. So I was not able to replicate the issue, but I don't know, maybe there's something with Pipewire. And the second issue that I experienced as well is that every time that I close the beta, the beta launcher right here, well, if I try to relaunch this thing, I have to log back in. So obviously I have the browser here, but sometimes you see right now it's using a different browser. It's using Firefox, but now I have to relog from time to time. So it's just using a different browser right now. I'm not exactly sure why it's using a different browser, but you see I have to relog into the Jagex Launcher right now. So depending on the browser, sometimes it's using Brave, sometimes it's using Firefox. And the browser remember your session, your Jagex session, but overall the issue is that the launcher here right here doesn't seem to remember my session. So sometimes I have to relog again. In their post, they're saying that your session will persist up to 2 weeks at a time. I mean, the browser seemed to remember your session, but not the program itself. So I'm not sure if it's related to the app image or maybe my keyring or something like that. But as of right now, it doesn't seem to remember. And so there you go. Right now, it's in beta. I don't think it's exactly perfect yet, but that's a really great start. So if you want to play old school RuneScape on Linux using the official way, well, there you go. Now you have it. But I think as of right now, Bolt Launcher might give the best experience out of the box. So if you can just download this Flatpak here, Bolt Launcher, and I think right now this is still giving the best experience. This is just my personal opinion. But there you go. I'm expecting that the Jagex Launcher is going to improve. And I'm not really playing RuneScape these days, but you could say I'm on a break. But I think that overall this is really cool. So I hope that this video was helpful to you, and see you in the next one. All right, peace.